This happened 1, 2, 3 times too much. These dumb
Say shit, come up in your, all up in your face. Can't pay hands. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say shit good. Say shit, come up in your, all up in your face. Can't pay hands. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say shit.
You can say that again. This is square like Madison. I can't even really get mad at them. They fall, then I gotta shook them like an acre. It's embarrassing. 10-page checks, should I wrote a book? Could've made a bag, but he broke and he's still waiting till like a chill. And he really think I'ma get back to him. Doing too much, relax a bit. Acting like that cause your dad's a bitch. Must be the way that the planet is. Must be you snatch it. I'm a masochist. Should've known you had the baddest bitch. Left on red and can't give really you ain't shit. Need a laxative.
Say shit, come up in your, all up in your face. Can't pay hands. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say shit good. Say shit, come up in your, all up in your face. Can't pay hands. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say shit good.
Said that's not cheating if I wasn't with your yo. You kept secrets and your cousin told me that. So logical thinking is just something that you lack. So what you even meant for? Looking like a yo.
I'm not your mommy. Find a new hobby. Return your picked up your in the lobby. I'm not gonna keep